Wow! Look at the tractor! Wow!
Oh, look! Oh, look! Thank you!
Bye-bye! Iyo, iyo, iyo! Hello! Potato!
Okay, we've got to try and get to the bank before we go. Oh, right.
Uh-oh!
Mommy, come on. Can we see the sheep?
Want to see some pigs?
Keep checking this tractor.
Some more cows? That still works.
Hello. Are you okay? Is that a tractor? That looks amazing. Boom.
Hi! Hi!
Hello. It's okay. Look. Hello. Hello.
Oh no! Papa! 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 Whoa! Hello?
Can you say hello? There you go. See, he says hello.
Bye!
This is Timmy. Timmy's a bit of a wriggler.
Okay.
Am I okay to plonk him down?
Yeah.
Timmy was trying to hide you. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye. And on that farm he had a cow.
Daddy,